Good morning, students. Yesterday, in the lesson, in the world of dictionaries, I told you what is a dictionary and how a dictionary shows us many things. Today, let us learn different types of dictionaries. Children, all dictionaries, however, are not the same. It depends on who is going to use the dictionary. In that way, the information is arranged and presented in different ways. Now, the different types of dictionaries are children's dictionaries, pronouncing dictionaries, dictionaries of synonyms, visual dictionaries, encyclopedic dictionaries, and online dictionaries. So, let us go to the first point, the children's dictionaries. Some dictionaries are designed specially for children. They include only a few thousand words. So to make it more interesting for you, so that you will take more interest in using the dictionary, these dictionaries are with many pictures and diagrams in children's dictionaries. There may be also a word game, puzzle, joke based on the meaning or use of words. As you children, you like games, no? So jokes you like, puzzles you like, right? So this dictionary makes your learning more interesting by using word games, puzzles, jokes, diagrams and pictures. It makes your learning easy and interesting. The second dictionary is pronouncing dictionaries. These dictionaries provide only the pronunciation of words. It is shown with the help of special symbols. These symbols are the phonetic words. So as a young children, my dear students, you will learn phonetics in your further classes. These pronouncing dictionaries help you how to pronounce the word. Did you understand? Then the third dictionary is dictionaries of synonyms. Now, in this dictionary, words which have a similar meaning is given to you. They also include opposites. Did you understand, my dear students? Today I have taught you the three types of dictionaries. Which are they? Children's dictionaries, pronouncing dictionaries, and dictionaries of synonyms. Now, tomorrow I will teach you what are visual dictionaries, encyclopedic dictionaries, and online dictionaries. Your homework will be given to you in your homework app. Please do your homework every day. This is enough for today. Thank you, my dear students.